Okay, so class 7th, nutrition in animal. Chapter name is nutrition in animal. Okay, so in previous lecture we discussed about human digestive system, in which we talk about alimentary canal, which is mouth, food pipe, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus as a part of alimentary canal. Okay, in which today we are going to discuss about the process of digestion, which is assimilation. Okay, so the assimilation and ingestion of human body are left. Okay, so in a small intestine all the food are absorbed. Okay, the process of digestion complete. Now let us take what is assimilation. So the topic is today we discuss about assimilation. Okay, see, the food absorbed into the blood is transported to different part of the body. We know that whatever the food absorbed, okay, it transported, all the nutrients are transported with the help of blood. Okay, blood, we know that blood flows through the whole body. Okay, by blood vessels. Okay, it is used to provide energy and material for growth and repair our body tissues. Okay, we know that our body is made up of so many cells, like in a building. Bricks, so many bricks make a building. Similarly, so many tissues make our body, and group of cell is said to be tissue, and group of tissue is said to be organ, and that organ perform different tasks. Okay, okay, so this is the final stage in the process of digestion, which is known as assimilation. Okay, the process in which food absorbed into the blood and which is transported through the different part of the body is known as assimilation. Glucose is broken down in the cell with the help of oxygen into carbon dioxide and water to provide energy. The whatever the food absorb, it convert into glucose, and that glucose gives us energy to do work. Okay, so we take oxygen, and this glucose, with the help of oxygen and glucose, we are able to do anything, whatever. Okay, if I am speaking right now, it takes, it burn, it require some amount of energy which is come from glucose, whatever made in our in my body. Okay, so amino acid are used to building and repairing the body part, and fatty acid and glycerins are stored under the skin, and they act as the energy reverse. Okay, so this process is very important. After digestion, whatever the food absorbed, it goes into the blood, and blood transported different part of the body. Okay, the process is said to be assimilation. Now the last topic is digestion. See, what is digestion? Not all the food you eat is digested and absorbed. We know that not all the food get absorbed and assimilated in the process of digestion. Some food item are not digested. Okay, the food item that cannot be digested move from the small intestine into the wide tube called large intestine. Okay, here most of the water present in the waste is absorbed, and the waste food, which is now almost solid, in stored in the last part of the large intestine, which is known as rectum. It is then passed out the body through the anus. Okay, so removal of waste product, solid waste product, undigested food items first come from a small intestine to large intestine, then large intestine to rectum, and then it goes out through anus. Okay, so this is all about. Okay, now we talk about the process of digestion, the process of digestion in ruminants. Okay, tell me what is ruminants. Okay, do you know what is ruminants? If you know, if you don't know, just see. Before we start ruminant, we need to explain one more time in this chapter the human digestive system, which is very important. Okay, so just we quick revise all the fact regarding the digestive system, the human digestive system, which is very important for your future and which is also very useful for your examination point of view. Okay, the human digestive system. Human digestive system. Okay, so this human digestive system contains some processes. Write down first processes. Okay, so first of all we introduce before processes alimentary canal. Okay, whatever the steps of nutrition processes are held through the alimentary canal. Okay, first we have to write down all the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal पहला first mouth, second food pipe which is also known as esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. So this, the process of digestion of food is held with these canals. Okay, mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus, we already discussed. Okay, so whatever the process held in human digestive system, these all part of our body take place in the process. Okay, first the process come from digestion in mouth, all the process of teeth, tongue. Okay, and then after digestion in stomach, digestion is in a small intestine, absorption in a small intestine, then after assimilation, egestion, and then after removal of waste product. Okay, so these are the processes. First process is digestion in mouth. Okay, digestion in the mouth, digestion in the mouth. Second, digestion in stomach, then after digestion in small intestine, then after absorption in a small intestine, then after assimilation, then after assimilation it is egestion. Okay, so these are the processes by which human digestive system are performed. Okay, and these perform with the help of these alimentary canal. Okay, we have to conscious and focus on this topic because this topic is very important for examination point of view.